Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Fidelity crypto for United States investor. So if you are a United States investor looking to get into crypto safely, Fidelity Crypto is one of the best options out there. It lets you buy and sell top coin like Bitcoin, Ethereum directly within the existing Fidelity account, so you can manage all your investment in one place. Fidelity also offers institutional grade security with assets stored in cold storage and operate under a full United States regulatory compliance, which gives you a level of trust most crypto exchanges can't match. You can even hold crypto inside your retirement account like Route, traditional or rollover IRA, which is a huge plus for long-time investor. The only trade-off is that Fidelity currently supports a smaller selection of cryptocurrencies, but it makes up for that with safety, reliability, and simplicity. So if you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance breakdown, and share whether you trust Fidelity for your crypto investing. And that's it.